Good afternoon, students. Today, our topic is Indus Valley Civilization. What is our topic today? Indus Valley Civilization. So, it is chapter 2nd. In previous video, we talk about the silent features of Indus Valley civilization. Today, we talk about what are the political system is followed by the Harappan people or Indus Valley civilization. Actually, the historian says there were no political system was implemented by the Harappan people because even still now the script of Harappan people does not read by any historians or archaeologists. That's why we cannot find any type of information about the political system of Harappan people. Anyway, by the excavations of archaeologists and finding the material remains and another archaeological sources, the historians concluded there is no concrete proof of Harappan culture and Harappan political system. So anyway, the historians says that there was a hierarchical political system was followed by the Indus Valley society. Hierarchical society. It means Varasatva. You know, the Harappan civilization was urban type of civilization. Yesterday we talked about in the part of silent features of Indus Valley civilization, the people of Harappans was lived in urban cities and their citadel area was top edge of the town. The people are living in surrounding areas of citadel area. That people should be followed by the principles of elite groups or head. Head also known as religious leader. Who is head? He acted as a religious leader. He was admitted to the Harappan urban people. By the finding of Harappan seals, he had some important and remarkable duties for the responsibility of the people. One is construction of a great granaries. Granaries, what is granaries? Granaries are the warehouses of a protection of their fruit crops, like godowns today. Why the construction of a great granaries during the time of Harappan civilization? Because what is the main profession of Harappan people? Agriculture. Agriculture was the main profession of the Harappan people. They were cultivated the land and produced crops in huge level. That's why the purpose of the hide of the crops, they were built a big granaries. So that is the main duty of the elite group or the head or religious leader. And second, city grid planning. You know, the Harappan civilization was the urban type of civilization. Nearly 1000 urban towns are finding by the excavators and archaeologists. Nearly these 1000 Harappan cities are which type? City or towns? What way of method it should be shown in constructions? It is in grid planning. So the city grid planning was suggested by head or elite groups. And third, well maintained drainage system. What is well maintained drainage system? So it is the unique feature of the Indus Valley civilization. This is a remarkable feature of the Indus Valley civilization. It is also maintained by the elite groups of head. These are the main duties of the elite groups. So this is a political system was followed by the Harappan people in those days. Now we talk about social conditions of the Harappan people. By the observing of Harappan people's skeleton remains, the historians divided the Harappan people in 4 subgroups. One is Proto-Asteroids, second Mediterraneans, third Mongoloids, fourth Alphites. Proto-Asteroids, Mediterraneans, Mongoloids, Alphites. These 4 sets are living in the society of Harappan civilization. According to E.L. Basham, a great historian and archaeologist, according to his opinion, the proto-asteroids are the original Indus Valley people. These were merged with Mediterraneans. As a result, a new sex was origin from the society. They are Dravidians. Mostly the southern Indian people are belonging to Dravidian people. And what type of lifestyle should be followed by the Harappan people? Which type? Urban life. The urban life was the realistic feature of the Harappan people. And people are living in big and small houses because there were two categories of the people are living in the Harappan society. One is rich persons and the second one is laborers. Rich persons are living in big houses and the laborers are living in small houses like barracks. Each building was constructed in the method of grid planning. And what are the food habitation of the Harappan people? Harappan people are eating wheat, rice, milk, fruits and vegetables are eaten by the Harappan people. These are the main food crops of the Harappan people. And fish and animal meat also eaten by the Harappan people. Fish and animal meat also eaten by the Harappan people. And we can find animal sacrifice also was in practice in the society. What is animal sacrifice? Animal sacrifice is finding in the time of the praise of village gods. Nowadays also we can see this type of practices in the village societies like Bonalu, like Ellamma festival, Uppalamma festival. This type of village festivals are praising of village gods. We can practice in animal sacrifice. It is also followed by the Indus Valley people. It should be also coming from the Indus people hereditary. And what are the entertainment sectors of Indus Valley people? Cockfightings, fish hunting, music and dance, swimming contests. These are the entertainment sectors of the Indus Valley people. And the Indus people are producing cotton. They are cultivated cotton. That's why they are wearing clothes. Both men and women are wearing clothes. And also they were made some metals of ornaments like gold, branch, perils and steatite. Gold, branch, perils and steatite. That type of ornament should be made by the valuable metals. And I mentioned here a women used ornaments. Example, waist guards, bangles, earrings, necklace. Waist guards, bangles, earrings and necklaces are the women's ornaments during the time of Indus Valley civilizations. And lanterns also prepared for the home decorations during the time of Harappan civilizations. Example, carts, arcs, etc. This type of toys are prepared for the home decoration by the Indus people. And they were played chess and toys also. The Indus people played indoor games. For example, chess and toys are played by the Indus Valley people. And also dice were using in gambling. The Indus people played gambling also. In the playing of gambling, they were using dice. So this is the social conditions of Indus Valley people. Okay. Today we talk about the political system of Indus Valley civilization and the social conditions of the Indus Valley civilizations. Tomorrow we talk about what type of economic conditions have in Indus Valley civilization and what type of trade and commerce should be followed by the Harappan people. So this is discussed in next video.